All right. I remember these tables being a little tough for you guys, so hopefully this can help you out and provide some clarity. So I'm actually going to do problem number 2 because it's a little bit smaller, and I don't want to do most of the work for you guys. So we've got 3 columns. We've got one column that's an amount of yellow paint, one column that's an amount of blue paint, and then the total amount of paint right here. Okay, so it says to make green paint, students mixed yellow paint with blue paint. The table below shows how many yellow and blue drops from a dropper several students used to make the same shade of green paint. Right, so if you mix the colors in a different proportion, you're going to get maybe a green that is more yellow or a green that's more blue. So it's important in a situation like this to make sure that you're very specific about the amount of things that you put in there. All right, so the information that we have is that there's 3.5 milliliters of yellow dye and 5 or sorry, I'm converting these to decimals because it's easier for me to write. 5.25. Right, and then over here, there's 5, 6.75, and 6.5. Okay, so here's the important thing. Right, these two right here form a proportional relationship. Okay, so yellow paint is going to be proportional to blue paint since you're trying to maintain that same level of green. Okay, the total amount of paint is going to be yellow plus blue. All right, so the total, once we get both the yellow and blue, should be pretty easy, right? I mean, right now I can fill in this top right-hand box. 3.5 plus 5.25 is going to be 8.75. Okay, so now I mentioned that yellow and blue paint are going to be proportional to each other. Right? So what we can do is we can divide to find a unit rate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 5.25 divided by 3.5. When I type that in the calculator, I get 1.5. And so what that means is that whatever is in this column is going to be 1.5 times whatever's in the yellow column right here. Okay, so we can use that to our advantage a little bit. All right, so let's start. I'm going to start down here in the bottom left-hand corner. 6.5, I can take 6.5 and I can multiply it by my unit rate times 1.5, and that is equal to 9.75. All right, and then on this column, right here, I can work in the opposite direction, right? I've got 6.75. But since I don't have what's in this box right here, I can't multiply 1.5 by this box. I have to divide this box by 1.5. So I'm going to say 6.75 divided by 1.5 to get 4.5. That's what belongs in this box right here. Okay. Then I should be able to get these totals pretty easily, right? 4.5 plus 6.75 is 11.25, and then 6.5 plus 9.75 is equal to 16.2. All right, the last one is right here. This is the tough one. Okay, so if you've got any ideas about it right now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to pause it, and I want you to drop a comment below about what you think you're going to do right here. All right. Oh wait. Sorry, I have a weird thing going on. Okay. So I have to find something right here times 1.5 that will equal this, and both of them adding up to 5. All right, so I can do a little bit of math to help me figure that out. So here's what I'm going to do. Move over here. I'm going to create a little equation.